I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your game and protecting your save. Back up the GTAV folder now. Next, install script hook v and ASI loader so custom code can run. Add Open Roman 4 for archive access. Then download a reputable night vision mod or trainer. You want an SE or trainer package that explicitly states night vision support. Once done, keep the mod zip closed and locate the README. Make sure you follow the author's basic file placement notes before moving files into the game directory. Now install, copy the SE dinput 8, DLL or trainer files into the GTAV root folder and verify ASI loader recognizes them. Edit any provided config or keybind file to choose a convenient toggle key. Choose one not used by gameplay. Launch the game in story or offline mode and enter a low-light area to test. Press your key to toggle night vision. Make sure to run the game once after install to let script hook v initialize, and to check. To finish, use the toggle in varied environments, streets, interiors, and rooftops, so you can see how brightness and grain affect detection. If the mod supports adjustments, tweak brightness, contrast, or infrared intensity in the config and relaunch to apply changes. If you hit a crash or black screen, exit, remove the mod files, and restore your backup. Then add components back one at a time to isolate the problem. If issues persist, check the mod page for compatibility notes and updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.